This one's less about technical risk and more about the human one. The risk of leaning on AI so much that your own skills start to fade. It's a quiet risk, not because it doesn't feel like a problem, it feels like help. The tool writes your emails, so you stop practicing how to write. It does your first drafts, so you stop wrestling with the blank page. It gives you the answer, so you stop building the muscle of figuring things out. Over time, the very thinking you handed off gets a little rustier. I'm not saying you do everything the hard way out of principle. The time savings are real and worth taking. The point is to stay intentional about what you do delegate. Use it to handle the work that was never the point, the formatting, the busy work, the rough draft, but protect the skills that make you good at what you do, your judgment, your voice, your ability to think hard on a problem all the way through. A useful test. Are you using AI to skip the thinking or do more thinking? One makes you sharper, the other slowly makes you dependent. And teach the people around you the same balance, especially anyone newer in their career still building the fundamentals. The tool should be a bicycle, not a wheelchair. So enjoy the leverage. Take your time back. Don't quietly hand over the parts of your work that are actually you. Stay in the driver's seat. The tool is there to help you go further, not to drive for you. Although I do like my self-driving car.